Good morning, viewers. So manuke happy new year janai diase. First of all, happy new year mula side pura. So manu family member subscriber it one sab ke moi happy new year janai diase. Aji moi ekta short update apnan ke dibolo mon ase. Ekta social activities ase bishi famous ase. He is very popular in Nagaland. Social activist and elder ase type elderly manu ase. Tala nam tole Nikhetu Iralu ase. To type pura ki koshi to Naga club lau pade. Aro itu update bi moi study kora tamde man bhal lagise moi to update to apthen ke share koribo kina moi janai diase. Social activist and elder statesman of the Naga community Nikhetu Iralu on Monday reminded the current member of Naga club that their primary responsibility is to maintain the fact of history. Iralu was scheduled to speak at the Naga club general body meeting in Kohima, but his message was read out instead after he took ill. He pointed out that as a human being, Nagas are as old as any other in the world. For the past centuries, like many other numerically small tribes and communities, all our history was oral history, totally without any written record of even. So amhala Sir Iralu itu Naga history lopata kotha korise. Alag alag ki community ase world day. Itu community de Naga community ekta to beshi historically ekta purana community ase bana Sir Iralu itu koase. Further update to ase Iralu cited how due to the geographical location of mountainous area, mostly subtropical region of the Asian heartland that finally became the Naga homeland. Naga state isolated from the changing world up to the first decade of 19th century. So 19th century de apnan jani na thego man development to thane Nagaland de aro Nagas kan bi man export to kore nai. Tai than to pura ke ba thaise isolated thaise out of the world pura edo world lo de connected thana nai man be to British khan aigina Christian missionary khan aigina Christianity introduce kora bichete step by step kibo hoche development hoise aro Nagas khan bi idu world lote milina connected ho parise guna. Sir itu Nikhetu Iralu type pura naga was to itu update to viral ho ase gona moi apne ke janai diase. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I request all the viewers to share this video, and if you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you never miss any update regarding this channel.